here in Tivland, where he is a title holder in Tivland in Benue State as the eagle of Tivland. And I remember when I was attacked by Fulanis, Governor Wike was the first person to come out and roared and said, "Kill Ortom, you have killed Nigeria." He was very firm and committed, said it all. I appreciate him. Here is a man that did not keep quiet when Benue State was in tumult. Benue State was in travail. Benue State was under siege and challenged by the same Fulani herdsmen. They call it farmers' headers. It's a lie. Fulani is coming to invade us. Wike came out, brought stakeholders from River State, and here Wike offered a solidarity and faith with the Benue people and gave his commitment, as if that was going to be the end. It donated 100 million naira to our IDPs. Let me tell you, here in Tivland, the Etilo people, some are here tonight. Like I whispered to my friend, Governor Wike, I told him that in Benue State, we had 3 major ethnic groups. The 3 of them have performed here. And because of the presence of himself, the governors of Abia and the governors of Enugu State, you have also seen the performance of the Igbo nation. I think but they have canoes, and then they can cross it to the other side. This is what Governor Nyesom Wike is to us. Many have wondered why I have chosen to swim with him. Many have wondered why I have chosen to walk with him in darkness and in the midst of storms and threats and also fire and brimstone. Many have wondered. But I still remember him. This is a man who stood with us during our trying time and came out, did not fear about threat of the federal government or federal might. They came out and said that, look, if we kill Ortom, you have killed Nigeria. And I stand with him, and he came here. And I remained with us. He has supported us. I remember that when high-level market got burnt, Governor Nyesom Wike heard about it. We did not make any demand. Governor Wike came and donated 200 million naira. I remember when Kasnala market got burnt, Governor Nyesom Wike came and donated another 200 million naira. Haba, is it not a friend enough?